Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to make a 4-foot by 4-foot no-dig garden. Middle of January, 50 degrees today, really warm. Figured I'm going to build a quick bed using cardboard, any soil if you have to buy it from the big box stores, something cheap, or if you have compost or dirt from around your yard, you can use that. Quick and simple. This will be ready for planting come May. All we're going to do is put down 2 or 3 layers of cardboard, 4-foot by 4-foot space. Make the space as big as you want. On top of that, you want to put down some bag product. Garden soil or cheaper. Don't use container mix or potting mix. You're paying too much money. Maybe some cheap bags of manure you could throw down on there. For a 4-foot by 4-foot space, you want about 1 bag per foot. So you're trying to make a pile on the cardboard of earth, of any kind of mix really, 2 to 4 inches. Again, if you have compost, use that. The soil under here is fine. You see grass is growing. There's plenty of nutrients in there. We are just going to square it out, kill off the space, let everything kind of decompose, and follow me. Come spring, I'll show you how I plant tomatoes, peppers, and beans in this space. Once the earth is down, I'm going to put some leaves down on there. At the end of the video, I'll show you a space that I did about 8 months ago and just show you what it's going to look like. Get your cardboard down in whatever shape you want. I do recommend soaking it now, especially on a windy day. It won't blow away, but you want this to be really wet. You can do it at the end. Important to soak the cardboard down. That will let microbes and fungi and worms move into it and start breaking it down. And just for reference, these are 1 cubic foot bags. I got them on sale. I'm in Maryland, so a lot of these products go on sale in January. Again, at least 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches would be best. This is what it looks like. 1 cubic foot bag in each of these piles, and that was about $3 on sale. I'm going to put down my compost. I'm going to have at least 4 inches on here. That's the next step. Add it in my compost. It's not fully broken down. By doing this in January, come May we'll plant. You have plenty of time for most of this to break down. You could add in bagged manure, stuff that's not the best. Mix it together. I'm going to do that in a second. That's going to set you up. We'll cover it with leaves, as I was saying. That's all you really have to do. If you want to throw in a handful or 2 of organic granular fertilizer, you can, but you're just setting this up so it sits for 5 months, and then in May we're just going to dig holes, plant the tomatoes, the peppers, the beans. This space will really produce without having to spend a lot of money and a lot of time setting up the space. The next step is to put down leaves. If you don't have anything like that, you can just skip it. This will help keep the moisture in there. Again, you want that cardboard to stay wet. You want this whole area to stay wet. After I cover this, I'm going to drop down a couple of boards so the leaves don't blow away, and we're just going to let this sit until May. Here's the same exact bed design that I did about 8 months ago. Never got to putting the fruit tree in here, but you can see not a lot of weeds. It's kind of settled a little bit. Everything broke down. When you dig into there, you get right to the earth. Perfect for planting transplants. This is just a great way to save time, create a really healthy bed, and you don't have to dig it. Microbes will move in, fungi will move in, all the good stuff will move in, and you'll be able to just add compost year after year and grow in the space that you create. Please subscribe for 2024 and I'll help teach you how to grow food and show you how I plant this entire garden. It's pretty much all you have to do. Throw down some sticks, whatever you have, keep the leaves down. If you want to add some fish emulsion, you can do that. The nitrogen will help break everything down. Some organic granular fertilizer. You don't have to spend a lot of money setting this up. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and again, please subscribe. I'll be growing food for all of 2024. Thanks for watching.